then the browser took it and do that. I am starting the recording, so I will explain this again. So this will happen sequentially, and again, and then there is no web API there. Why we'll talk about that. Now, for example, in between this first high and second high, okay, what I will do is like I will write a function on button dollar, means I'm using jQuery. You all can see that on. This is a way to write event, okay, and this is the button, okay, and click event, and this is the callback function. You can see that, okay, all right. This is the callback function. When a tag name button, there is only one with the tag name button, and this is the one. You can see there is no other button tag names, or do you see this button? There is no other button in this page. So when I click the button, the click events function will call upon. And in this function, let's say I will write console.log button clicked. Okay, button clicked. Let's do this. It didn't come. Yeah, see this one. Just not doing that. Do I have to have jQuery in here? One second. It should not. It should come then back. One second. Did I not have jQuery or something here? It should have jQuery in it, right? It should have jQuery in it. Why is this not coming here? Okay, rerun, resume. Okay, but anyway, I clicked it. This is pushing into the web API. When the callback is done, it will come back here. Another thing now, what are web APIs? Web APIs are like any Node.js function, any real browser function, any set timeout, set intervals are called web APIs. So what does it mean? For example, like let's say I am writing a function. Okay, I think maybe there is something wrong in this function. Let me try this also because I am not sure. But then it should work. I don't know why it didn't work. It should come back here. Come back. At least after this, come back. No, it is not coming back. Okay. Alright. Anyway, so there's something called set timeout. I think it came back, right? No? Did anyone see that? Okay. Anyway, this is called callback queue, set timeout. What is the difference between set timeout and set interval? Set timeout only calls that function once after the elapsed time. Set interval will keep on the function after the elapsed times until you break it. Right? It keeps on doing that set interval. This is timeout. And you have to give the function you want to call. This is the function I want to call. After how many seconds? Milliseconds. 5000 milliseconds. That is nothing but 5 seconds. Okay. So set timeout is a function which is running. Okay. And in this function, what will I say is console.log button is clicked. Okay. Button is clicked. See this one. JavaScript, whenever it says that it pushes onto stack, does it need any further processing? No. Pushes onto stack. Oh, it needs a callback. The callback goes. In the callback, there is a set timeout. Is set timeout part of JavaScript? No, it's part of web API. So it will do that. Like geolocation, navigation, or all this, it will run here. Then once it done, it will come back the callback here. It keeps on doing this. See this one. Now it will not wait for this to finish. It came to 2. It came to 3. See this one. What happens now? Because it is waiting for that 5 seconds. In that, is the stack now clear? Yes, it can do other things too. So Node.js works in the same way. Node.js is also waiting for things. It is pushing onto C++ Java thread. These are the C++ threads. So it will push to the C++ threads and it will wait for the other things to make it. So just give the callback function, it will push to that API. But I don't know what is happening here. Let's run this. See this one. $Tom. I did the same thing. I don't know. I even gave my semicolon. Why it is not? But anyway, yeah. If you, I think it got done now. Okay. See this one. We have on. Then there is a high. Then there is a set timeout and everything like that. See this one. This is see. Now second is then again another on. Yeah, high quoted. Okay. A call stack is something what needs to be executed, what program to call, and it pushes to the API or C++ threads. So do this for me. Then that will ask that again, call stack. So the JavaScript call stack only do what needs to be done, what needs to be called. This timeout is executing before this timeout. You got it right? Because this timeout is starting directly and this is a callback function. And this callback is not called back until this is clicked. Yeah, that is the reason. I forgot why I didn't run it. Yeah. Okay. Now this will come into this one. See this one, each one, because I did 3 button clicks. Did anyone understand this? Nilima, Sridevi, Karthik. Okay. So even if it is single threaded, why is it powerful? This is the reason. Correct? This is the reason. Even though Node.js is single threaded, why is it powerful? This is the reason. So JavaScript will only push into the call stack what are the inbuilt functions, like what to do, what to get done. Everything logic should not be written. See, you should not write logic like this. That is why. Call me back. So see, the problem is like if I write, console.log. Okay. Uh, okay. Hi. And if you want to do like 100 times of this, don't do this, because the reason is you are blocking the call stack. The call stack is blocked, so it can't do anything. It is busy with doing your stuff. It is busy doing your stuff. So it is busy doing your stuff. So it is very, it can't take care of other things because it is single threaded. So that is the reason. How do you solve this problem? For example, see this one. I am saying that now. Set timeout and call this function. Okay. And 2000 milliseconds and do this. But you might say that again the 10 statements do this, will do the same thing. Yes, but it will come back after 2 minutes and it will do this. See, it will go here. It is waiting 2000. Okay, it is executing each one. See, now it is blocking the call stack. Again, how would you solve this problem? Do set interval or do this, but otherwise, even this is not a perfect solution. So what is the other way? Write a function. So when something happens, like document.ready, or we have like here button click. Got it? Button dot click. Got it? Sorry about this. So this one, then call stack is free. Call it, push this. It didn't push this because actually it should push it to there. Let me do a event rather than this way. Let me do a event. A event is, this is what they did, right? No, dollar dot on button, click, and callback function. And what are we doing? But I think button is clicked. What is that? Eval is you have a JavaScript JSON, or you have any. I will explain. Let me finish this. Okay. It pushed it, but did I click the button? Call stack is filled. Then the button is clicked, and event will come and it will do that. Call stack queue, call stack, and web API. Eval means, for example, what does it mean? Eval can be harmful. Missing this one, before statement. What is before statement? I'm in JavaScript, sorry. This will see what is the JavaScript inside it, and it will do that. And why Ajax is very easy. For example, got it? But you understand what I'm trying to teach here? JSON comes as a string or the wire. If it is XML in Java or anything, you have to take that, you have to parse it, you have to create a Java object and everything like that. Right? So that's why SOAP APIs are very tough. Because you get that as an XML, you want to parse the XML, you want to then validate the XML, then you want to convert it into a Java object and everything like that. Here it's already coming as a JSON. Is JSON a JavaScript object already? Means how do you write really in JavaScript object in here? If you really have to write the object in JavaScript, what do we do? Like this, first name equal to last name equal and everything. Over the wire, it is coming as a string. It will just use the eval function and convert it. That's why REST APIs are fast. Because on front end you use JavaScript to read that JSON, it will just use the eval function. Understand what I'm saying? So eval should be used for JSON, that is fine. Eval should not be used to send functions and everything like that. You got it right? That is dangerous. Next.